REXA Electraulic Actuation was first introduced in the early 1990s. The technology is centered around a closed-loop, self-contained electrohydraulic modulating system. It does not require an external oil source or fluid conditioning system. This unique approach to hydraulics eliminates the oil contamination and servo valve blockage concerns common in conventional hydraulic systems with an open reservoir. REXA Electraulic Actuation is known as an energy-efficient and environmentally friendly actuator choice for the 21st century. REXA's compact modular construction allows for a simple stator vane actuation upgrade. Incompressible hydraulic pressure ensures tight control and eliminates drift. The stator vane will maintain locked-in last position on loss of power or control signal. Electraulic actuation significantly improves operational safety and reliability. Next, let's walk through the steps of a typical retrofit installation process. First, the existing hydraulic power unit and related piping is removed. Then, the existing hydraulic cylinders and connecting lines are removed. REXA linear actuators are mounted in place of the old cylinders. The hydraulic lines between each actuator are then connected. Finally, the electraulic power modules and interconnect cables are installed. After calibration, the system is ready to operate. The REXA system immediately responds to control signal change. Cylinder extend or retract is controlled by the direction of motor and pump rotation as commanded by the REXA electronics. This changes the pitch of the compressor stator vane. If the control signal remains unchanged, motor operation is not required to maintain position. This minimizes energy consumption and wear and tear. The REXA system is self-contained and eliminates the need for an external hydraulic power unit. Since power is not required to hold position, the motor only operates when a position change is required. This maximizes efficiency and eliminates unnecessary power consumption. For over 20 years, REXA has proven successful installations on axial flow compressors worldwide. The REXA actuator completely eliminates oil maintenance, servo valve blockage, and stator vane control issues. REXA Electraulic Actuation is the preferred solution to upgrade control performance and maximize reliability for your axial flow compressors.